definitely needs mirrors. Okay, right, well, welcome back. This is the second video I've got on here, and today we got Will behind us. So some of you may know Will. You may have seen him on TikTok, Instagram, wherever. He has a carbon fiber Ducati, so can't miss him. Well, actually it's black, so maybe you can miss it. It's just, Will should catch us up. He's just going to accelerate up behind me now. Just watch. There he is. Ooh, that was sketchy. My rear tyre was on like a weird piece of like tarmac, and it was like on the edge, so like I sort of went both ways there. Yeah, man. Nod. I'm in neutral. That sounds good, man. I'm going to overtake this in a minute as well. Down the hill, if I can.
2 hours later.
There it is. Oh, I got it. Like, even this hill is good enough to reach a top speed now, which is ridiculous with these sprockets. It's quite a big difference. I've lost sort of 10 mile an hour top speed now, but yum. Yeah, this road does get a little bit boring sometimes, but it's not too bad. Ah, there it is. Cox. I was just gonna, and then Will just question me. That's probably not gonna make it into the vlog, to be honest. I don't really want that to be in the vlog. Really need new tyres. I mean, the front's fine. The front's still got 3 mil of tread, like the whole way across. But the rear definitely needs doing. And I've ordered one, and it should arrive tomorrow. But we'll see. And then new rear tyre. I have a spare front, which would then match the back, because I've got mismatched at the moment. Now I've got one to match the rear, but it has 2.5 mil of tread all across rather than 3, which my front tyre has at the moment. So is there any points? Probably not. And almost at my keys. Ready for the clutchless. And corner. And into Mackey's. Is it busy? A tad. Usually drive-through is worse though. Is it still clean? Mostly. Sick. Okay, we're back. There we go. Now to remember the way. Where are you going? You're going there. Sick. Fuck's sake, Will. and Will feels like a complete dickhead now. As he should. Definitely needs mirrors. Oh, I got nothing to say right now. Okay, yeah, actually I got one thing to say. Yeah, we're heading to Desmowill. So, we're gonna go and look at some bikes in a minute, basically. That's where me and Will are off to. I don't know how fast I should be going here, actually. Probably not this fast, but... Nah, we're fine. Come on, Will. Hurry us up. Let's see what they've got today. Where's he going to park? Is he going to go in the end? He is. It's gone into... There we go. And in neutral. Oh, the VFR's still here.